Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine, fit, healthy, and happy. So, student, today we will start with let's write ABC. We will start with this our workbook. You have to fill the workbook. You will get 2 days holiday, Saturday and Sunday. So you have to complete all the work. Okay. You have 3 days. Today is Friday, then Saturday, then Sunday. Okay. So you have to do all the work completed. Okay. You have to complete all the work. Okay. So today we will start with G. It's a small G. It's a small G. G for goat, G for glass, G for gate and G for grapes. Okay. So इसको मैं करूँगी. Let's start writing. Okay. You have to trace here. Make a small circle and like this. Okay. Make a small circle and this. Okay, you have to make a circle like this. And now I will make a circle and this. Okay, can you see? Yes, make a circle like this. Make a circle like this. Okay. I have done mistake here. Make a circle like this. Okay, so you have to complete this page and this page. Both page you have to complete. Okay. G for it's a small G. G for goat, G for grapes, G for gate and G for glass. Okay. So let's write ABCs complete. Now came to our ABC small. Small letter writing, capital you all know. So we will practice our small. G for gun. So this is, write down the date. G for gun. Look at here. We have to make G. Okay. G circle, then like this. Okay, you have to write like this. Do practice at your home. If you are not able to write, then parents give dotted lines to them. Okay, then it's a G. Now H. It's a H. Give dotted lines like this, like it is here, given here. I am tracing it. Okay. So you can give like this. Student can trace it. Okay. One line you will give, then 2 line they will do. So this is H. Okay. You have to do all the work very neat and clean. This is H. Then I. I is very simple. I for ice cream, I for ice, I for ink and I for iron. So I is very easy. This is I. Look at me. And after writing this, okay, after writing this, you have to complete till this page. Till 15 you have to complete in classwork copy. Okay, in classwork book you have to complete till 15 page number. Then similarly in homework copy, this is your homework copy, ABC small letter. You have to complete till 15 in this copy also, but we will start before this. You have completed till page number 10. So you will start with, you have completed till page number 9. So you will do from 10 to 15. Okay. 10 to 15 you have to complete in HW. You have 3 days to work, 3 days to write. You have 3 days. Okay, so complete your work. Understand? Okay, see you in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye.